Hello everybody. I've got a great hack for you. One that I couldn't believe I didn't know about until I saw someone do it. So, you may be someone that had an old iPad and used to draw with your finger, which is definitely not ideal, even on the larger screen of an iPad. So maybe you went out and you did what I did and bought yourself some fancy styluses. Maybe some with those rubber doohickeys or brush ends on them. Maybe even went out and bought yourself a powered stylus with a fine tip, which definitely was better, but still not ideal and still does not feel quite natural. Then came out the newer iPad with the Apple Pencil Generation 1, which definitely was a advancement with pressure sensitivity. And then, of course, the iPad Pro and the Apple Generation 2 pencil that came out, even better, more accurate, pressure sensitivity was more intense, which really they're getting now to the point where it's pretty close to hand drawing. But what if you didn't have one of those styluses, or you went on vacation and you forgot it, or you were trying to draw on your phone with your finger and realized it just wasn't working out for you? Then I have the solution for you. I'm going to show you how to make your own stylus. What you're going to need is you take an old pen, and you need a Q-tip and a piece of tinfoil. The first thing you're going to do is remove that ink from the pen, cut off one end of the Q-tip, slide it in the end of the pen, and then take your tinfoil here and wrap it as tightly as you can around the pencil or pen handle, making sure that it makes contact with the Q-tip head. And of course, you could always take this a little bit further, wrap some tape around it and that sort of thing. The only thing you're going to need in addition to this is a little bit of moisture. So once your homemade stylus is created, get yourself a little bit of water, and all you're going to need is one drop on the end of that Q-tip. To make sure it's not too wet, just damp that, dry, and give it a test run. Oh, look at that, much better. Much more natural feel. So I'm sure you'll be really happy to know this little hack, especially when you find yourself without a stylus and you want to do some drawing, even on a small screen like a phone. Have fun!